Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is another iPhone 14 Pro video. In this case, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the PITAKA MagEZ Case 3 for iPhone 14 series. PITAKA very kindly sent us this case for review before the iPhone 14 Pro launch, and so we're going to just unbox it. This isn't final retail packaging, there's likely to be a sleeve at the front when it is released, but let's have a look at this Aramid Fibre case for the iPhone 14 Pro. It looks very similar, if you look at it, to the case for the iPhone 13 Pro, but they've apparently adjusted the dimensions and the camera bump protection to make sure that it works well with the iPhone 14 Pro. On the inside of the case, there's no padding, but what you can see is that it has the PITAKA logo and it is compatible with MagSafe chargers and accessories. This is great to hear because MagSafe is a really useful feature that I find useful on iPhone. Let's see how my deep purple iPhone 14 Pro fits in the PITAKA case. So I'm just going to slot it in. In this case, I'm going to do it with the power button to the right and then clip it in. It fits snugly, fits nicely. This is actually a really nice case. Very, very slim. It adds pretty much no bulk to the device and just has a little bit of protection around the sides for that camera bump. So let's just check the button access. That all works well. No issues with the silent switch. Everything looks good. So what I would say is that in terms of your camera module, there's no lift here. So I would recommend putting your phone down with the camera module facing down because you are still exposed to the surface you're putting it on. It does add side protection and avoid stuff getting onto it, but you still have that insanely large camera bump, which the case does give some protection to, but for the sake of being slimline, it limits that. But I suppose it's better than not having a case on it at all. There's essentially no cover here for the screen, pretty much the same as the camera module. You're not getting much protection for the screen. I would recommend if you are going to put your phone down, face down, please do have a screen protector on if you want to keep your iPhone screen safe. Anyway, we'll link in the description to where you can purchase this PITAKA case on Amazon. We'll also link to the PITAKA website where you may be able to purchase the case from there as well. Thanks to PITAKA for sending us this review case for the iPhone 14 Pro. We will be back soon with more coverage of accessories, gadgets, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you made it so far in this video, thank you for watching and goodbye from me.